Hey guys! So I wanted to talk to you guys today to let you guys know some channel updates and some things that I am thinking. And don't mind, by the way, I'm going to wear this outfit for a few videos in a row, so hopefully you guys don't mind that. But I wanted to talk to you guys about some channel updates and things that I'm thinking about doing with my channel, and I hope that you guys enjoy. I do want to keep the makeup stuff because that's what I started, and I truly love, I love makeup. I'm such a makeup, lover that's ridiculous. But I also want to show another side to myself that I think is important, and I really am really excited and happy to do this. And I think it's important to show I'm not just oh, I love makeup. There's nothing wrong with that, but I'm not just that. I kind of want to show my more geeky side and more stuff about me so you guys can actually get to know me and stuff that I'm into and all that. But I would like to kind of share some more paranormal things with you guys, kind of open my mind up and myself up more to you guys. And if you guys like that, definitely give it a thumbs up. I've got a little pen and paper here, but I don't know, I was kind of thinking of some things and I jotted them down, but I'm still going to do the makeup stuff like I said, tutorials, reviews, get ready with me, chit chats, all that stuff. But I also want to talk about more of my paranormal experiences. I'd like to talk about conspiracy theories and things that I'm into. It might be weird, but I really like comic books and Yu-Gi-Oh! Is that weird? Old school Yu-Gi-Oh! Though. Not really the new stuff. Not really into that. But old school Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm kind of a dork. I'm not trying to make it sound bad like that, but I kind of am. Stuff that I'm into. Are you guys into that? I would really like to bring that into my channel as well. Maybe have some of those videos in a week as well as makeup videos to kind of bring it as a more central channel where it's not so just one thing. I do have lots of more paranormal stories to talk to you guys about. I would like to talk about some other incidents I've had, some Q&As about the main paranormal story, my first set that went out. I would like to talk about experience I had being younger, just different things, and my thoughts on different paranormal things I would also really like to share because I think that'd be fun, a good way to kind of get a conversation flowing, see what you guys think. But I think this would be a lot of fun to kind of bring more of me to the channel because I'm not just makeup, so I think it'd be important for you guys to see that. And also, I'd love to share more creepy, cool stuff with you guys. I love all things horror and creepy. I just really, really like that sort of thing, and I'd love to talk about that more and share more of that that part of myself with you guys. But I wanted to see, do you guys want more spooky content? Are you guys into that? I'm probably gonna do a few more anyway, but I really want to see how you guys take it and the feedback of it. I definitely have more stories. I wanted to give some thoughts on different things too, different subjects. I'd like to give thoughts on what I think about possessions and different ghost experiences and my feelings on being pretty much a haunted person. I have experiences about my boyfriend's house. Stuff happened when I was younger. If you guys like to hear this, definitely let me know. My thoughts on Zozo and stuff like that. Just different things that I would love to talk about and kind of have a conversation flow. So I wrote all this down, that's why I'm looking down, but I'd like to have that. So if you guys would like this idea and you guys want more spooky content and just more of I don't know, kind of creepy fun channel, then definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know some thoughts down below, and maybe some questions and all that of what you guys have wondered as well. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it, and I really am going to appreciate your feedback. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.